Children, we are studying lesson number 2 from EVS 1, that is motions of the earth. Students, you have learned the concept of rotation and revolution of the earth. Earth rotates around its axis is called as rotation, and movement of earth around the sun is called as revolution of the earth. We have also seen in the last session that earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Now let us see some more information about this. The earth revolves around the sun even as it rotates around itself. The period of time earth takes to complete one revolution around the sun is called as 1 year. There are about 365 days and 6 hours in a year. That means the earth's orbit around the sun actually takes about 365 days and 6 hours to complete. Students, we follow this type of Gregorian calendar. Gregorian calendar uses only 365 days in a year, and therefore every year there are about 6 extra hours needed to complete the orbit. Now let us understand what is the concept of leap year. In the Gregorian calendar, the year taken to have 365 days. It means that it counts 6 hours less every year, and therefore that makes 24 hours or 1 day in every 4th year. To make up for this lost 1 day every 4th year, Gregorian calendar has one extra day in the month of February. That year is called as leap year. Leap year has 366 days instead of 365 days, and February month has 29 days instead of 28. Students, here you can observe this year we have 29 days in the month of February. That means 2020 is a leap year. Children, people born on 29th of February can celebrate their birthdays after 4 years. The rotation of earth gives rise to day and night. Because of Earth's inclined axis and its revolution around the sun, length of day and night is not always equal. This Earth's inclined axis and revolution around the sun also causes cycle of seasons. From 22nd March to 23rd of September in the northern hemisphere, days are longer than night. Therefore, it is summer season. Here you can see, children, the rays are coming from the sun towards the earth, and this is the axis of the earth, and this is northern hemisphere while this is southern hemisphere. You can see here is the daytime and this is night time. So days are longer than the night in the northern hemisphere in this period, and in southern hemisphere nights are longer. Nights are longer than the days during the same period. Hence there is winter season in southern hemisphere. While in the period 23rd September to 22nd of March. The days are longer in the southern hemisphere. Therefore, it is summer there. In the same period, the nights are longer in the northern hemisphere, and therefore earth get less heat in this region, and it is winter there. In India, summer, rainy season and winter are considered to be main seasons. We also divide the year into 6 seasons, namely Vasanta, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemanta and Shishir. This cycle of 6 seasons is called as Ritu Chakra. Many of Indian festivals are connected with the seasons. Many of our songs and games are also related to different seasons.